Model, 65 Ford Transit Custom 270 Limited Etech Great Spec Spares or repairs needs engine. Body, grey, panel van. Mileage, 139750. MOT, the 23rd of November 2025. Engine, 2198 cc 2.2125 PS TDCI-B. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, Enginge does not start and won't turn over, engine has seized from block damage. Check engine light on the dash. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been well looked after. With just a little bit of mechanical TLC, this van could be back in tip-top condition. Features: 1 former keeper, part service history, tow hitch, tow bar, air con, cruise control, electric windows. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £6,375. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.